Hi viewers, welcome to GMATHI Max. In this video, we are going to see exercise 1.2 first problem. See the first problem, they have given the set A and B. Then which of the following are relation from A to B? Below they have given four relations, set of relations they have given R1, R2, R3 and R4. So one by one we are going to see now. See that R1. We know already every set of relation is a subset of A cross B. So first we have to find out A cross B. So A is given and B is here. So A cross B we have to find out. A cross B equal to Cartesian product. If you have to take the first element and then you have to make the order pair of the each and every element of the second set. Okay. So 1, 3, 1, 0, 1, minus 1 and 1, 7. Then if you take second element from A, then 2, 3, 2, 0, 2, minus 1 and 2, 7. And then if you take 3, 3, 3, 3, 0, 3, minus 1 and 3, 7. And if you take 7, 7, 3, 7, 0, 7, minus 1 and 7, 7. Okay, these are the elements of A cross B. So now here this which are the following relation is from A to B they have asked. So we have to we have to check in this relation R1. First we have to take the first relation R1. The elements are in A cross B or not. We are going to check it is. If it is there, then this relation R1 is relation from A to B. We can come to the conclusion like that, so that we have to see 2, 1 is here or not. 2, 1. 2, 1. Here there is no 2, 1. 2, minus 1 is only here in A cross B. And 7, 1. 7, 1 is also not there. So this 2, 1 and 7, 1 both elements in R1, but these two elements not belongs to A cross B. Therefore, the given set of relation R1 is not a relation from the set A to the set B. Then we can see the second relation, set of relation minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1 is there or not? See here. There is no minus 1, 1 because there is no minus 1 in the first set. Okay. So this minus 1, 1 is in R2. Set of R2, relation R2 la irukkudu. But the same minus 1, 1 is not in A cross B. A cross B la illa. Therefore, this R2 is, adanala in the R2, relation R2 வந்து not a relation from the given set A to B. அப்படினு சொல்றோம். The relation is not a relation from A to B. A to B. And then see that R3, 2, minus 1. 2, minus 1 is here. And then 7, 7 is also here. And 1, 3 is also there. So each and every element in R3 is in A cross B. Therefore, R3 is a relation. R3 is a relation from A to B. From A to B. Then they have given the fourth one. Fourth one is R4. The set of relation R4 is given. We are going to see now R4. R4, what are all the elements are there in R4? 7, minus 1, 0, 3, 3, 3 and then 0, 7. Okay, so now we have to check 7, minus 1 is here or not. 7, minus 1 is there. And 0, 3. Here there is no 0 in the set A. So there is no element. Here no such element 0, 3 in A cross B. 3, 0 is there, not 0, 3. And then 0, 3 is not in R4, not in A cross B. It is in R4. Then 3, 3, 3, 3 is also here. And 0, 7, 0, there is no 0 in the first set. So 0, 7 is also not in A cross B. Okay, so it is both elements in R4, but these elements are not in A cross B. A cross B. Therefore, because every set is a subset of A cross B, here there is no, it is not a subset. R4 is not a subset of A cross B. Therefore, this R4 is not relation from A to B. Okay, so R4 is not a relation from A to B. See the second question. Let A equal to set of all 1 to 45 and R be the relation defined as is square of a number on A. Write R as a subset of A cross A. Also find the domain and range of R. Okay, so we have to write R as a subset of A cross A. So first we have to find out A cross A. A cross A means here it is 1 to 45, so it will come here. A is also here A. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 45 it will go. Here also some next one is A cross A only, no? So the same will come here. 1, 2, etc. 45 here also. Okay, so A cross A means you have to take the first element from the first set. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 up to 1, 45. It will go up to 1, 45. And then 2, 1, it will go up to 2, 45. Like the same here also 45, 1, it will go up to 45, 45. These are the possible ordered pairs. Possible elements in A cross A. Okay, so now what is the relation is given in the question? The relation is square of a number. So 1 is a square. 1 square is 1 and 2 square is here it will come. Here 2 square is 4. So 2 is related to 4 and 3 is related to, it's a square 9. So here 3 is related to 9 and then 4 is related to 16. 5 is related to 25. 5 is related to 25 and then 6 is related to 36. 7 is related to 7 should related to 49, but in the set A we have up to 45. There is no 49, so that just we can have such pair only. Okay, so now here we have seen in the arrow diagram, so we can write the set of relation using this relation specific condition is square of a number. What are they? 1, 1 and 2 is related to 4, so 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16 and 5, 25 and 6, 36. Okay, this. Okay, now here the question is write R as a subset of A cross A. See, every element in R should be the subset. All the elements are in A cross A. Therefore, we know R is a subset of A cross A. Okay, and the next one is find domain and range of R. How to find domain and range? Domain of R. Domain of R. How to write domain of R? The element which is in the first set related to the second set is collection of such element is called domain of R. So we can say what are all the elements related to the second set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is nothing but the first coordinate of the order pair. Okay, and then range. How do you find the range of R? How do you find the range of R? The element which is in the second set which is having the relation with the first set. Such collection of such elements is range of R. So what are all the elements having the relation with the first one? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. That is nothing but the second coordinate of this set of relation. So what are they? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. See the third question. The set of relation R is given by the set x comma y such that this y is equal to x plus 3. If you add 3 with this x, that is with the first coordinate, you can get the second coordinate. Okay, this x is in 0 to 5. Okay, so they ask you to find the set of relation and domain and range. Okay, for that first we have to take x equal to what are the number, what are the elements are there in x, 0 to 5. Okay, and then what is the condition is given, y equal to x plus 3. This is the relation. So we have to find out the element which satisfy this relation. Okay, so if x equal to, we have to take that value of x from this set. Okay, so x equal to 0. If x equal to 0, then y equal to, in the place of x you have to substitute 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. Then if x equal to, here the next number is 1, then y equal to 1 plus 3 is 3. Then if x equal to, the next number is 2, then y equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. Then if x equal to 3, then y equal to 3 plus 3 is 6. Then if x equal to 4, then y equal to 4 plus 3 is 7. Then if x equal to 5, then y equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, so now we have found what are all the number related to which one. Okay, so here 1 plus 3 is not 3, it is 4. Okay, so now we can write the set of relation R, that is 0 is related to 3, so 0 comma 3. 1 is related to 4, so 1 comma 4. And then 2 is related to 5, so 2 comma 5. 3 is related to 6, so 3 comma 6. And then 4 is related to 7, so 4 comma 7. 5 is related to 8, so 5 comma 8. This is the set of relation. Then they asked to write the domain. What is domain? Domain is domain equal to the set of elements which is related to the second set, which is in the first set. Okay, the set of elements which is in the first set related to the second set. First set நம்ம என்ன வச்சிருக்கோம், 0 to 5 வச்சிருக்கோம். ஸோ இது எல்லாமே domain தான். 0 1 2 3 4 5. This is the domain. And range, they asked range. Range na enna? Range na second element, அதாவது the second coordinate, collection of second coordinate is called as range. அதாவது second setல உள்ள element which is having the relation with the first set. எந்தெந்த element எல்லாம் first setோட relation வச்சிருக்கோம் அந்த elementsஆக எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா அதுதான் வந்து range. அப்போ என்னென்னலாம் வரும், இது ஃபுல்லாக வரும். 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. See the fourth question. R, the set of relation R is given as x comma y such that x equal to 2y and x belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5 and y belongs to this set. Okay, then they ask you to represent each of the given relations by an arrow diagram, graph and then set in roster form. Okay, so for that first we have to find out which number is related to the which one. Okay, so that we have to take, here the condition is given as 2, x equal to 2y, so you have to take that value of y from this y. Okay, y is start from 1 to 4, so if y equal to 1, what is the value of x? Then x equal to 2 into, in between 2 and y multiplication is there, so 2 into, in the place of y you have to substitute 1, it is 2. Then if y equal to the next element, here 2, then x equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4. Then if y equal to, the next one is 3, then x equal to 2 into 3 is 6. Then y equal to, the last element is 4, then x equal to 2 into 4 equal to 8. Okay, so now we know that this in the place here x is the first set. Okay, so we can write arrow diagram. First one, arrow diagram. How to draw this arrow diagram? See that x is the first set. The element of the x set x is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then you have to round like this. Then the second set is y. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then arrow diagram means here we have to put arrow. In the first set, 2 is related to which number, which element from the second set. See here, if x is 2, then y is 1. So 2 is related to 1 and 4 is related to 2, 6 is related to 3 and 8 is related to 4. Okay, so 2 is related to 1 here, so 2 is related to 1. And then this 4 is related to 2 because x is the first set. Okay, so 4 is related to 2, so this 4 is related to 2. And then 6 and 8, 6 and 8 is not there in x. Okay, so only this 2 pair of elements in the arrow diagram. Okay, this is the arrow diagram. And graph, how to draw the graph? Just it is all are positive numbers, so we can take the first coordinate. It is x axis and it is y axis and 0. We can take it is 1 2 3 4. Here also 1 2 3 4. Then 2 comma 1. So you have to take 2 from x axis and 1 is from y axis. It will meet in this point. Okay, so this is 2 comma 1. And then 4 comma 2. 4 is here and 2 is here. It will meet in that place. So this point is 4 comma 2. This is graph. Okay, and then next one is what they have asked in roster form. Roster form. Roster form means you have to write the element in the set of relation directly inside the set notation. Okay, what are the elements? 2 is related to 1, so 2 comma 1, and 4 is related to 2, so 4 comma 2. That's all. This is the roster form. See the second division, r equal to x comma y, such that y equal to x plus 3 and x and y are natural numbers less than 10. So here we have to take the set x. X is natural number less than 10. So 1, 2, 3 up to 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the same y, the set y is also the same element because x and y are natural numbers less than 10. So we can have the same element. Okay. So the set x and y we have written. Now here the condition is y equal to x plus 3. So now we have to take in the place of x, we have to substitute each and every element from the first set. First set 1 to 9 is there. So if x equal to 1, then y equal to, in the place of x you substitute 1. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Then if x equal to, next element is here 2. So then y equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. And then if x equal to, next element is 3, then y equal to 3 plus 3 is 6. And then x equal to 4, next element is 4. Then y equal to 4 plus 3 is 7. And if x equal to 5, here 5, then y equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. Then if x equal to 6, then y is equal to 6 plus 3 is 9. And if x equal to 7, then y equal to 7 plus 3 is 10. And if x equal to 8, then y equal to 8 plus 3 is 11. And x equal to 9, then y equal to 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay. So now we have known what are all the numbers, that is in the element in the first set is related to the element in the second set. What are all the elements we are going to see now. So arrow diagram first. Arrow diagram. Here x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then that y set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have to see in the place of first set, first element 1 is related to 4. So 1 is to 4, related to 4. 2 is related to 5 and 3 is related to 6 and 4 is related to 7 and 5 is related to 8 and 6 is related to 9. 7 is related to 10, but there is no 10, 11 and 12 in y. So only this much pair is in set of relation. So what is set of relation? R is equal to, what are the pairs? 1 comma 4. 1 is related to 4. So 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6 and 4 comma 7 and 5 comma 8 and 6 comma 9. Okay, this is set of relation R. Okay, arrow diagram we have written. Then roster form is also we have written. This is the roster form. Directly we have to write the order for the elements in the set notation. This is arrow diagram and this is roster form. This is roster form. Okay. See the fifth question. The question is very big, so I can't write it in the board. So that just I am reading this question. A company has 4 categories of employees given by assistants, clerks and managers and executive officers. The company provide 10,000 for assistant, 10,000 for assistants and 25,000 for clerks and 50,000 for managers and 1 lakh for executive officers. Okay. And then this A1, if A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 were assistants. How many assistants? 5 assistants are there, 4 clerks are there and 3 managers and 2 executive officers are there. Okay, then the relation is defined here in this question. The relation is X is the salary given to the person Y. X is the salary given to the person Y. So here that relation X or Y means this is the salary and to the person Y. X is the salary to the person Y. So what should be the set of relation? Here the salary we can start from assistant 10,000. So X is the salary. So 10,000 comma this salary is for whom? For assistants. How many assistants are there? 5 assistants. So 10,000 for A1 and how many? 10,000 for A2. Like that 10,000 for A3. This is salary. X is the salary given to the person Y. It satisfies this condition, this relation. Then 10,000 for the 4th assistant and 10,000 for assistant A5. Okay, and the next one is 25,000 for clerks. For 25,000 for clerk 1. How many clerks are there? 4 clerks are there. So 25,000 for clerk 2 and 25,000 for clerk 3 and 25,000 for clerk 4. And then next one is 50,000 for manager. So 50,000 for manager 1. How many managers? 3 managers. 50,000 for manager 2 and 50,000 for manager 3 and executive officer 1 lakh. So 1 lakh for executive officer 1. How many executive officers are there? 2 executive officers. So 1 lakh for executive officer 2. Okay, this is the relation, set of relation. Okay, then they ask you to write it in the arrow diagram also. Okay, from the first set we can take it as a salary and second set the person, okay, from the set Y. Here they have given the set Y as a person. Okay, the 10,000 salary is for assistants. So 10,000 for A1, 10,000 for A2, 10,000 for A3, 10,000 for A4 and 10,000 for A5. Then 24,000 for clerk 1, clerk 2, clerk 3 and clerk 4. 50,000 for manager 1, manager 2, manager 3. 1 lakh for executive officer 1 and executive officer 2. This is the arrow diagram. Okay, in this video we have seen first 5 problems, all the problems in the exercise 1.2. I hope you all understood these problems. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.